The Dish Hopper Duo Smart DVR delivers snappy navigation and a clean on-screen layout that makes finding shows and recordings feel straightforward instead of cluttered. It can serve two high-definition televisions when paired with a Joey, so a small household can share one box without constant conflicts over what to watch. High-definition recording capacity is generous enough for roughly 125 hours, which is plenty of room for series, sports, and movies without frequent deleting. Voice control through the Dish remote or compatible assistants works reliably, making it easy to search, change channels, or manage recordings without hunting through menus. Built-in streaming and on-demand options, including major apps, let you jump between live television, recordings, and internet content from a single interface without changing inputs. Handy extras like picture-in-picture, remote finder, and the ability to start a show in one room and continue in another make everyday viewing noticeably more convenient.